This is how you hold the pick using just your thumb and index finger. And for these first strumming exercises, I would rather use soft picks. When you strum down, the pick is going to hit the strings in a 45-degree angle, and you strum all the strings related to the chord. But when you strum up, that is shorter. You just strum 2 or 3 strings. So you strum the first, the second, and the third at the most. So there's no need to have an angle in the pick when you strum up, just when you strum down. Well, the first strum we're going to learn is going to be down, down, up, up, down, like this.
Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. Lo vas a hacer lento para empezar con un solo acorde, por ejemplo mi. Y cuando ves que te empieza a salir el rasgueo, y luego vas a hacer una vez el rasgueo en cada acorde, en mi, luego en la, luego en re, luego en la.
If you want to strum with your hand instead of the pick, you are going to strum down with the fingernails of your middle and ring finger, or you can also strum down with your index and middle finger. I rather use the middle and ring finger for strumming down. And when you strum up, you're going to use the fingernail of your thumb. So our first strumming using your right hand would be something like this. You can also try this second strumming, which is like this: down, down, up, down, down.